Welcome friends. In this video, I am talking about data classification. Data classification or categorization is the primary means by which data is protected based on its need for secrecy, sensitivity, or confidentiality. Data classification is used to determine how much effort, money, and resources are allocated to protect the data and control access to it. Declassification is often overlooked when designing a classification system and documenting the usage procedures. Declassification is required once an asset no longer warrants or needs the protection of its currently assigned classification or sensitivity level. The two common classification schemes are government military classification and commercial business private sector classification. In government or military classification, top secret is the highest level of classification. The unauthorized disclosure of top secret data will have drastic effects and cause grave damage to national security. Top secret data is compartmentalized on a need to know basis. Secret is used for data of a restricted nature. The unauthorized disclosure of data classified as secret will have significant effect and cause critical damage to national security. Confidential is used for data of a sensitive, proprietary, or highly valuable nature. The unauthorized disclosure of data classified as confidential will have noticeable effects and cause serious damage to national security. Sensitive but unclassified is used for data that is for internal use or for office use only. Often, SPU is used to protect information that could violate the privacy rights of individuals. Unclassified is used for data that is neither sensitive nor classified. The disclosure of unclassified data doesn't compromise confidentiality or cause any noticeable damage. Items labeled as confidential, secret, and top secret are collectively known as classified. Often relieving the actual classification of data to unauthorized individuals is a violation of that data. Thus, the term classified is generally used to refer to any data that is ranked above the unclassified level. All classified data is exempted from the Freedom of Information Act as well as many other laws and regulations. Commercial, business, private sector classification levels, confidential is the highest level of classification. This is used for data that is extremely sensitive and for internal use only. A significant negative impact could occur for a company if confidential data is disclosed. Sometimes the label proprietary is substituted for confidential or proprietary data. It is considered as a specific form of confidential information. If proprietary data is disclosed, it can have drastic effect on the competitive edge of an organization. Private is used for data that is of private or personal nature and intended for internal use only. A significant negative impact could occur for the company or individuals if private data is disclosed. Sensitive is used for data that is more classified than public data. A negative impact could occur for the company if sensitive data is disclosed. Public is the lowest level of classification. This is used for all data that doesn't fit in one of the higher classifications. Its disclosure doesn't have a serious negative impact on organization. Another consideration related to data classification or categorization is ownership. Ownership is the formal assignment of responsibility to an individual or group. Hope this video might have helped you to understand data classification or categorization. Please put your query into comments section. Monitor the breath. Be safe. Thank you.